In this video, I'll show you how to connect a custom domain to your Blogger website. First, go to Blogger and open the blog you want to edit. Then, go to Settings. Scroll down until you find the Publishing section. Under your current blog address, click Set up a custom domain. Type in your domain name and make sure to include www before it. Click Save. Blogger will show an error message. That's normal. It gives you the information you need to connect your domain. You'll see two SNAME records listed. Now, go to your domain provider and open your DNS settings. Remove any old SNAME records with the same name. Then, add the new ones from Blogger. For the first record, set the host to www and the destination to ghs.google.com. For the second record, copy the unique host and destination values provided by Blogger. Save both records. Go back to Blogger and click Save again. Once verified, your custom domain will be connected successfully. And that's it. Your Blogger site is now linked to your own custom domain. Thanks for watching.